In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how you can fix the issue of WhatsApp photos not saving to your iPhone's gallery. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like. It really supports us in creating more useful content. Sometimes when someone sends you a photo on WhatsApp, it doesn't automatically save to your Photos app. This can be very frustrating, especially if you want to quickly access or back up an image outside of WhatsApp. But don't worry, this is a common issue and can usually be fixed in just a few steps. Let's start by opening up WhatsApp. Return to the main chats page, and now select the settings icon located in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on chats. Inside the chat section, you'll see an option labeled Save to Photos up at the top. This controls whether images and videos are automatically saved to your iPhone's Photos apps. If this setting is turned off, media you receive won't appear in your gallery. To fix that, simply toggle this option on. Once it's enabled, any new photos or videos you receive going forward will automatically save to your device. If you want to manually save images that were sent to you before enabling this setting, go back to the individual chat where the message might have been sent, tap in the photo you want to save, and then go ahead and hit Save on this dropdown. Since I sent this photo, it won't let me save it. But that's it. A quick and simple fix. If this video helped solve your issue, feel free to like the video and subscribe for even more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.